Here's the Elliott wave forecast for February 28th, 2012 on the S&P's 10-day chart. Looks like we have wave 1, ABC flat, back to the low of the A, and then a breakout wave 3. Looks like wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and the wave 2 is a flat. And we actually took out the top of the wave 1 and the top of the B, which sets up a third wave. If this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, the highest target I have for S&P would be as high as 1400. And that would, of course, take out Prechter's 1399 stop in the S&P. And he's turning into a laughing stock right now, Prechter is. But if this thing turns into a pure third wave, which is a good chance right now, because this is my wave 3 setup, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 with a flat, then 1400 is going to hit, and then Prechter's going to get stopped out. Poor Prechter. I feel bad for him. Not really. I don't feel bad at all. For the Dow 10-day chart, this chart looks more well defined because we touched the bottom of the A right on the number. This would be wave 1, ABC flat, and then wave 3 pattern break. I know we got a zigzag at the close, but it wasn't like the most devastating zigzag ever. It was like just an A equals C. So the futures gap up over 13,030 in the Dow, or 13,027. The highest target I have, if this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, is as high as 13,300. And for the NASDAQ, this is actually a lot more. This is very peculiar, this chart. You know what? I'm going to ignore this chart because it doesn't make any sense. Let me go back a little further because I just don't look at this up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. It's like, those aren't waves. Those are just that's a bunch of big mess. But I'm going to go back 3 months, take a look at the 3-month chart real quick. All I know is for NASDAQ, let me go back 3 months. Let me go back 6 months, excuse me. If you go to the 6-month chart of NASDAQ, this is what I know about this. This is a standard wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. And highest target I have for NASDAQ, if this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, from 2300 to 2750 is acting as a wave 1, wave 2. It dropped to 2440, and this is the third wave. Highest target I have is 3175. So I know this is a very, like, if you try to count all these little waves and dips going back all the way to December, middle of December, excuse me. It's you have to look at the deepest retracement and the draw wave 1, deepest retracement, draw wave 1, and then wave 2 and wave 3. And I know it's I have to admit that this wave has gone so much farther than. I mean, I expected a third wave to 3175 after I called the low back in December. I bought Apple around when it was NASDAQ was 2520, and I rode it up to 405 after buying it. I think it was 386 and selling it at 405. Each of my Apple trades have been like 15 to 20 points apiece because Apple's are just a beast. But anyway, my highest target for NASDAQ would be 3175. Take a quick look at Apple. Apple 6-month chart. Whoa. Okay. Yeah, I really miss my old software. I used to have this old software of big charts, or it's a like a native application where you just, instead of going to a website, you just have an application on your Mac, which I had. You just reload, refresh, and you have a chart which is like big charts. And anyway, I know you guys remember that old charting software I had, but it's gone. Anyway, basically for Apple, if this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, this is an extension. First wave an extension, wave 2, third wave extension, wave 4, and then we've entered the 5 of 3, which is target as high as 550 to 560. This will be wave 1, wave 2, third wave, fourth wave, and then 5 of 3. I'm not calling this 5 of 5 of 5 like Dan Eric. Dan Eric's calling it 5 of 5 of 5. It's not. This is 5 of 3 within an extension, and highest target would be, count that again, 75, 50, 540 to, 550 to 560 in the third wave, or 5 of 3. And I bought it at 522.18 today, and I was up about 6 points at one point, and then pulled back at the close. But I'm gonna go for the 550 and see what happens. So we're still in the third wave, but in the